Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find communities on Skool, okay? And if you haven't signed up for Skool just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get a 14-day free trial. Skool normally costs money per month, but with that 14-day free trial, you can go ahead and test out Skool for yourself and see if you like it. So in order to discover communities, once you're signed up for Skool, you simply click on this upper left-hand corner and then click on Discover Communities. So here you can see all the different communities that are available. You can go ahead and see some that are for free. You can see some that cost $22 per month. You can organize it by category: personal development, music, e-commerce, and more. So this makes it super easy to actually go ahead and actually discover new communities on Skool. In addition to that, you have a lot more different categories of communities that you see over here. But with that being said, this is how you discover communities on Skool and basically join a lot of Skool communities, which possibly might be free. Like this ultimate branding course is free. So with that being said, guys, that is how you find communities on Skool. And if you haven't signed up for Skool just yet, you can use my 14-day free trial link down below. I absolutely love Skool. I think it's fantastic. I've been using it for about 8 months now. But let me know if you guys have any questions though.